Welcome to this demonstration where we'll be using Copilot to help us to write prompts, brainstorm, and also look at event planning. Let's get stuck in. And to get started, you'll need to head to the following website address, m365.cloud.microsoft. Once there, select the sign in button, enter your usual credentials to log into Copilot. So here we are at Copilot Chat. And we're going to take a look firstly at writing prompts. So make sure the cursor is in the center and enter a similar prompt. So I'm going to ask Copilot if it can create a professional email template for following up after a client meeting. So go ahead and select the arrow. And as you can see, here is the result. So we have information about subject, dear client, and then you have this following email template, as you can see here. So all you'd need to do is copy that and add that into an email to get started. Next, I'm going to ask Copilot if it can brainstorm 10 creative ideas for increasing employee engagement in a remote team. Let's go ahead and have a look. And as you can see, here are 10 ideas that it's come up with. So virtual coffee, gamified goal tracking, show and tell sessions, remote escape rooms, recognition wall, skills swap workshops, themed virtual days, wellness challenges, collaborative playlists, and quarterly virtual retreats. So some excellent ideas there. And of course, you could explore any of those in much more detail. So for example, we could take one of these. Let's just take the number 4, remote escape rooms, and we could ask Copilot to extend that. So here's an extension. I'm basically asking Copilot if it would be able to extend the idea about escape rooms. Let's take a look and see by clicking the arrow. So now we're getting into a bit more detail about that specific idea for brainstorming using the escape room idea. And again, any one of those 10 areas you could pull out and you could ask it to provide more information, more ideas. Let's now look at the event planning. So I'm going to add another prompt for Copilot. So here's a prompt related to event planning. So I'd like Copilot to plan a half-a-day workshop for managers on leadership skills. Let's take a look at what comes back by clicking on the arrow. So as you can see, here is the agenda and further details. We've got a time stamp here with different session types, with breaks factored in and the objectives of all of those. And also a detailed breakdown for each of those specific areas of that session. And again, you could pull out any one of those and ask Copilot to build on that. And it's worth pointing out here that for every search it finds, you have these options here. You can save the prompt. You can also edit this in Pages. You have Pages options and more options here if you wish to read out the results.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.